Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how I stay fit. A couple of people have asked me in the past what I do to stay fit, so I thought this would be a great time to share with you what I actually do. We are currently living through a really confusing and quite scary time, and a lot of us are stuck at home either in isolation or we're distancing ourselves from social events. Something that we can't give up is exercise. So I want to show you today how I actually exercise from home. I have exercised from home for years. I've always felt really funny at the gym, so I really like doing things in the privacy of my own house. So I'm going to show you today how I work out in my living room and what I do. The only other thing I do is I go to Reformer Pilates. There are a few things that I'm going to show you today that is kind of similar to Reformer Pilates that you can do in your living room. So my workout buddy today is this Callie Fit Travel Pack. It is designed for traveling. It's lightweight, 500 grams, so you can just throw it in your suitcase when you go for a weekend away, or you can just have it at home when you're quarantined or on lockdown. So this kit has a few different items in it, which I'm gonna show you how I use them today. It also has a couple of workouts, so you can go find them on Instagram. They're currently doing a promo where they're cutting all shipping fees. They want to get these out to people so that people can work out from home. This has been my workout buddy for ages. It's not just since coronavirus has started. I've actually used this for quite some time. I also use it at home for stretching a lot as well. One thing I do want to mention is that I am naturally thin. I think you can just tell that by looking at me. I have been this way my whole life, so I don't want to give out any unrealistic impressions to anyone. I don't have to work out to keep my weight off. I am just built this way. My father is in his 70s now and he is still just tall, lean and skinny. It's just the genetics I have. So I just want to be really honest in that kind of way because I don't want to be unrealistic. Everyone's body shapes are completely different. I just think the main thing we need to focus on in this time, if we are stuck at home and we're housebound, is our physical and mental health, not necessarily weight. So that just means keeping active. We all know how important it is to exercise for our mental health. So let's not make ourselves go crazy being stuck in the house and let's keep on moving. And the last thing I want to say before I get started is that my outfit today, super cute. It's from Treble Active. It's got pockets everywhere. There's a pocket in here for your phone, pocket there, pocket there. Treble Active are a Melbourne-based company as well. They're another small business. Both Treble and Callie are two small businesses. And we know right now that supporting small businesses is such an important thing to be doing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you're all keeping safe and keeping your social distance so that we can help prevent this virus from spreading. Stay active, keep moving, not just for your physical health, but for your mental health as well. All right, let's go.
We've got a resistance strength band, a loop band, core sliders, a skipping rope, and some exercise workout cards. The Callie Workout Travel Kit is not only designed to work, but it's designed to look good as well. So it's definitely Instagrammable. I always begin by stretching out my body first. I do a couple of yoga poses. Nothing is really planned. I just do what my body feels like it needs. I stretch out my achy muscles and my achy joints and just make sure that my movement is nice and flexible. Then I get my heart rate up and my blood flowing with some high knees on the spot. I decided to follow the hotel workout. For the first exercise, I use the sliders. These can be used on carpet or hardwood floors. You use the hard side on the carpet and then the felt side on hardwood floors. This exercise is a real booty burner, as you can probably tell by my face. Next on the exercise card was a wall sit or a held lunge. I held 3 sets of lunges for 45 seconds, and maybe the last set was more like 30 seconds. But that's the beauty of working out at home. You call the shots. Next up on the exercise list is a bit of cardio, and of course, don't forget to keep hydrated. The Callie Travel Pack comes with a skipping rope as well, so if you have the luxury of exercising outside, you can use that. Otherwise, it's high knees. Planking is so simple, yet targets so many areas of your body. Next on the Callie workout card is a resistance loop band. There are so many different exercises you can do with a loop band. Resistance training strengthens your muscles by making them work against a force. These Callie bands are really strong, so you can really feel your muscles working hard. This one's another booty burner and great for strengthening muscles around the hip joint. Now it's time to go rowing with the resistance strength band. If you have shorter limbs than me, all you have to do to increase the resistance is to wrap the loops around your wrists. I'm trying to keep my back as straight as possible during this exercise and my elbows in close to my body. However, I am not a professional, so if you have any questions about technique, you should get in contact with the Callie team. This long band is surprisingly so helpful for stretching. It may not look like I'm doing a lot here, but it is opening up my chest and stretching the back of my shoulders so much. This can help relieve tight chest muscles, which are a symptom of bad posture from sitting at your desk and rolling your shoulders forward. While we're all stuck working from home, we should all be really mindful of how it's affecting our posture. And we can use these long bands to relieve pain and tightness. These stretches replicate what you can do at Reformer Pilates. I like to stretch slowly in all different kind of directions and just do what feels good.
Oh my God, I'm knackered, but I feel so good. I'm so glad I did that. I'm gonna head back to work now. I'm gonna leave a link to Callie in the description and the promo code which you need to use at checkout to get free shipping. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay safe and we are all in this together. What should I say? What was that?